Welcome to Chris Farms and Extension Services alias Chris Farm Nigeria. Today we are bringing you to pig units where they talk about pig setup, building of pigs, one or two things that has to do with pigs. Basically, I'm doing this for my customer who I need to bring to the platform so that he can see how a wallow is done in a design or designing of a poultry pen, of a piggery pen. Before now, you will always say poultry this, cages. But today, we want to bring it to the other phase, because before now, I explained to you that we do the A to Z on poultry, fishery, snakery, and piggery. Today, basically, we want to talk about pig, on pig farm setup, on the structure, the feeder trough, the wallow, the spacing, and the design. A very simple design that anyone can afford. And basically, we want to talk about the wallow for a customer so that you can see how the wallow is being designed for easy accessibility of the pigs into the wallow. The wallow is like a swimming pool. You know that basically pigs generally does not have sweat pores. Spores are small opening in your system. Like a human being, now if you are feeling hot now, the water in your body will regulate in order to calm your system down, thereby emitting sweat. The sweat gland is open to control your body temperature. But that of the pig does not have that, does not have sweat glands. So that is main reason why you see pigs, you see them wallowing in mud or dirty places where they could get water. The reason why they are doing that is to calm their temperature down. You see the pig turn to this side, turn his head, chook his head there. All he's trying to do is to find a place that his body can get cooled. Pigs generally are not dirty animals. Once you provide the basics for them, the pigs will be comfortable. Provide them a feeder trough and where they can swim, which is called the wallow for the pigs, to cool their temperature. And you know that the modern way now, they put shower, will do all those things to ensure that everything is in a perfect condition. Should you are visiting us or pumping into our YouTube channel for the first time, this is Chris Farms and Extension Services alias Chris Farm Nigeria. We specialize on farm setup generally, and our specialty is on poultry, fishery, snakery, and piggery. So if you want to reach out to us, our number remains 080 36 92 57 18. If you are not in Nigeria, you should put our country code plus 234 80 36 92 57 18. This is just like a room, and this room now is basically designed for poultry, for piggery, and there will be cross ventilation. Just see the way this place is designed. You see here, there is no covering 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 here. So there's enough ventilation for the beds, and also temperature. The roofing system should be high enough. This is just like 9 feet high or 8 feet high. It's not up to 10 feet because my hand can touch the wood. But the one good thing about the building is that the roof the king post went so high. You can see the king post, so that the roof will go up, so that there will be enough ventilation in the place. So you see, this place is designed very fine and okay. And thank God, one big or bad disease that affects pig generally are the tsetse fly. There is no more tsetse fly here, so trypanosomiasis is reduced here. So for places where they have a lot of tsetse fly, it is advised you put nets to cover the place so tsetse fly does not come in. These mosquito nets will be a better option, and it's also affordable. But if there is no tsetse fly there is no need of putting. You can also give them injection of vaccine that is going to fight against such diseases when they come. Basically, why I'm doing this video is because of this wallow system. Number one, you know, I've also explained about the temperature of the pigs that are being controlled by water. So this is a basic way to do a wallow, like a swimming pool. You can say it's a swimming pool for where the pigs can go in and relax. You can see this kind of wallow we did here. We just did this one now. All we did here is to make it like a sleeping form so that they can, even a smaller one can climb from in here, get in here, go into this place. Then with the water here, they can now rest their body here. If there is also an outlet here whereby they open it up, I don't know if you can come in here. If you open up from here, are you seeing this one here? Can you see this? Can you see this? So from when the water comes out here, you can flush out. When it flushes out, it goes out from here. So if the temperature of the pigs are high, they will come into this wallow and what relax to cool their temperature. This job is being done by a professional, and you can see how designed and beautiful it is done. This is the wallow. Why this is because of the way things are going now, we no longer put something like a bucket or a place or a drinker for them where they go and drink water. There is what they call nipple drinkers for the pigs. There are nipple drinkers for the pigs that are being designed. Hold on so that you don't step on this. There are nipple drinkers that are designed for pigs so that once they come there, they can drink water. A practical example is this. These are nipple drinkers. These are nipple drinkers. Once the pig touches it, water gushes out to fill them, and this will also help to control water system on the place, maybe splitting water anywhere, and also providing healthy and hygienic water for the pigs so that the pigs will drink good water. Once they touch this thing, water gush out. But because of this thing we just did here, I wouldn't want to touch it, but let me just see in a simpler way. Did you see the water? Did you see it? Can you see that? So once they touch it, the water comes out, they drink to their satisfactory, and once they remove their mouth, the water stops. It gives the pig pen a very healthy environment for clean place. This for water. Should you want to wash the place too, you can come in here and bring a bucket and put in water, take water from here, then you can now wash this place and keep it clean. For the drinkers or for the feeders, then you pour in your feed here. This is not the feeder. This is also a feeder. So they put all your feed here. The pigs come here. They eat. They eat here. They eat here. When they are hot, they come here. Should they are going to, sorry, this water is like spoiling this work we did here. So this is a shower. This shower, we are going to be transferring it from here. We are going to take it down to this place, so that when the water comes in, it settles here, it sediments here, then there will be enough water for them to enjoy themselves, to cool their temperature. So this is a simple design for a poultry pen. This design, we are specifically doing it for a customer, and we are still using this video to show the customer that this job is done, and looking at it is very fine for approval from the client. So this is a simple design for a pig. And secondly, this is the door side, the door region. You see, anything you are doing for the pig, it must be very strong and durable, because sometimes pigs are dog-tied. They are very aggressive sometimes, so and they can pull down anything. So whatever you are doing here, you must use a very strong material. Like you can see, after finished flooring, we still put cement to give a concrete place for the wallow, because if it is not properly done, the pigs will destroy it, eat it up. So whatever you are doing, you ensure that the cement or the mortar you are using is concentrated with high level of cement, so that the thing will be strong. You can see this one is strong so that it does not also pull it out. This is just a barricade. Don't spoil that thing, please. This is just a barricade to make the animal does not go out. Then on the flooring system, which is the German floor, please ensure that the German floor is strong and try to slope it to where the water is going to. Look at the outlet of air. So this is a complete design of a pig pen. You can see there is light, there is shower, everything the pigs need is here. So this is just a simple design, and this same way they are doing it down. Please come close to this place. You can see the one the bricklayer is doing. You can see how good it is. This is how it has been designed to ensure the pigs are in a good condition. Should you need any of all these, you can always reach out to us a customer can render or anything. When you need something like this, we can also deliver irrespective of where you are in Nigeria or any parts of the world you are, especially in African countries. That is where we can go to. We can't go beyond African countries, but if it is Nigeria, any part of Nigeria you are, we can also deliver this to you. So on anything that has to do with piggery, anything that has to do with fishery, anything that has to do with poultry, anything that has to do with snaring, we do the A to Z on it, and we are specialty in this field. You want anything that has to do with farrowing crate. Farrowing crate is something that has to where the pigs parturiate, that is to say where they give birth. So that is called a farrowing crate. We also do that. That design should be placed in the airstrip at the end of this building. But this is just a simple design for anyone, which anyone can manage. So this video is also, we are doing this video for our customer so that you will see the design that is on ground. Even though you are here, you are not here, we can do your job for you and send to you so that the customer will be at the same page with us. This is a very simple design. There's one here, there's one here to this side. Can you see that? Then there's another one here. The same design they are doing there, that is what we are going to do here, do here, do there. So this is just like this can take a plot of land. If you want to put this on a plot of land, you can. It's very easy. I will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and there is another one out there. So this kind of design is simple for anyone that wants to start up a pig farm. You can do this design. It's easy for you. If you want someone to fix it up for you, you can also reach out to us. Our number remains 080 36 92 57 18. If you are not in Nigeria, please put on the country code. Our country code is +2 3 4 80 36 92 57 18. As we are doing an advert on this job, we are also showing the customer the way or the design of what is being done here. But since you've seen the inner design, you can see the inner design. You can see the door. There's a door here. Come to this side. Can you see the door? There's a door here. There's a design of a door here. The same way there is a design of a door here. You see? So this is now your normal walkway. The pigs are inside here, inside this way. So the thing goes like this down. So this is how the design is, just like this. There will be pig here. There will be pig here. Then here will not be your walkway. So depending on how big your piggery farm is, or the piggery farm you design, depending on how you see it, that is how it looks like. So very simple design. Why this is like, this is the end of it, very fine. So you can see that everything is fine, designed fine, everything is okay. So this is just how it is. For the customer to see an overview of the place. That is how this job is. Then let's go outside so that you see the design also. Everything is working well. So if this outlet now, when we do that at the outlet, the water will all flow out there. So let's go out and see how the outside looks like so that you see how the water flow. You've already seen the water system, how it's been designed. I believe you like it. I believe the customer also like it. This is beautiful. Did you see it? This is beautiful. This one is a complete one. I believe the customer will like the way it is. So let's go outside and see how it's also designed there. This is the outer look of it. Did you see it? So why the engine come to this side so that you see how this side is being designed too. So you see here now, this is the outside. Once those outlets you see there, you can see the outlets here. They all flow down to that side. There is a control valve here that brings in the water for the nipple drinkers for the pig. You see how the design is. This one is the shower that is coming into each of them. I hope you see it. This is the outer design. Why this is another. Come to this side too. This is another outer design. This is another outer design. You can see that. This is another outer design. Well ventilated, good design. So should you need something like this, it's also available. So let's have a view of it, total view of the whole place. I hope we are seeing it. This is a complete view now. Oh wow, this one is hard though. Let's see if we can pick it. Can we pick it? Let's see. Okay, look at the outer view. This is the front view. The front view, you seen it. The front view and the waste management side. Hope you can see. Let me zoom it so that you can see. Did you see that? Do you see that? That is how the outer looks like. The water for the pigs are being put in place. The roofing system. Hope you see the roofing system. So enough. Everything is done well. Hope you can see that. This is a commercial poultry farm. Just two. Then let's go and see if we can get the side view of the place. You've seen the frontal view. Let's go for the side view. I'm going for the side view, how the side view looks like. You can see there's a front view, there's a side view. You see that? So we've gotten the side view, we've gotten the front view. So if you want a design like this, you can actually go for the design like this. So this is a design. So this is a design. That is just how it is. So if you want something like this, you can actually get it. You can reach out to our number again. It's 080-36-92-57-18. If you are not in Nigeria, please put our country code +23480-36-92-57-18. We cover the whole country, Nigeria, and several African countries. So you need something like this, we can deliver to you. Please reach out to us. If it's the first time you are pumping into our YouTube channel, click on the notification button, give us a thumbs up, describe how you want it to be. We can deliver to you. Always know that customer satisfaction is our optimal desire. Thank you for reaching out to us, and do have a blessed day. Thank you.